Hi, my name is Vivek Koodalingam, Managing Director of Faraday Ozone, based out of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And we manufacture ozone-based technology products, primarily used in water treatment and also in various other applications. So I came across SIL through the social media platform. This workshops really helps me. We have visions earlier, but we got aligned in this workshop to scale the business, what is required, and how to move forward in our direction. There are areas we want to work along with SIL with their support and collaboration. We are going to scale in coming years. I feel I will recommend this program for every SMEs who want to scale their business